Hi, in this short video I'm going to demonstrate how to install pgAdmin 4 on Debian or Ubuntu systems. First of all, we'll head to the pgAdmin website, click on the download option and then click on apt. This gives us the instructions that we need and can copy and paste directly into a terminal window. First of all, we're going to install the public key for the repository. Now we need to create the repository configuration file. This is going to create the configuration that's specific to the version of Ubuntu or Debian that we're running on our system. Now we're going to install pgAdmin itself. pgAdmin can be installed in either desktop or web modes. In desktop mode, it's configured for use by a single user or users of the same system, whereas in web mode it's configured for use by multiple users that might be accessing the server through their web browser remotely. We can have both modes configured on the system at the same time. We'll start by installing the software that we need for both modes at once, and then I'll demonstrate how to configure in web mode and how to run in desktop mode. There we go, now the software is installed and it should at this point be ready to use in desktop mode. So if we click on activities, type pgAdmin, there we can see the server starting up. This might take a few seconds the first time. And then our browser connects. We can set the master password that's used to secure any saved credentials that we might have in the system. Let me just check the online help works. There we go. So that's all looking good and is running in what's known as desktop mode for a single individual user. We'll close that page. You'll notice the icon in the system tray here. That will remain there running unless you shut it down. And you can always right click and open up a new window at any time. Now we can also run in web mode, but to do that we need to run some configuration first. So that's this final command here. So we need to give it a username and password for our first user. And this user will be able to create additional users through the web interface. There we go, and we should now be able to access the pgAdmin server at that address. Of course, you can also use the public IP address of the system if you need to access it from a different machine. Again, this might take a few seconds to run the first time. And there we have pgAdmin running in server mode. You can click on the menu option at the top here and add additional users if you wish, and then have multiple people all using the same instance of pgAdmin remotely from their desktop. Thank you.